What is the pantry area in a house? A pantry area in a house is a dedicated space used for storing food, groceries, and kitchen essentials. It helps keep your kitchen organized, clutter-free, and efficient. Whether large or small, a pantry plays a key role in everyday cooking and meal preparation. Traditionally, a pantry was a separate room located near the kitchen. Today, it can be a cabinet, a walk-in closet, or even a section of shelves built into your kitchen design. The goal is simple: easy access and smart storage. There are different types of pantries to suit various homes. A walk-in pantry offers plenty of storage and space to move around. A reach-in pantry is compact and perfect for smaller kitchens. Pull-out pantries are modern solutions that maximize narrow spaces. A well-organized pantry allows you to store dry foods, spices, snacks, and even small appliances. With proper shelving, containers, and labeling, you can quickly find what you need and avoid food waste. Having a pantry also improves kitchen workflow. It keeps frequently used items within reach and reduces clutter on countertops. This makes cooking faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable. In modern homes, the pantry is no longer just storage. It's an essential part of smart kitchen design that enhances both functionality and convenience. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.